Minky got arrested, but Bruno got away, and Della is not happy because he fears for Tloge's life. Tlosa wants to buy Dintle a house in Soweto Deep Kloof, but Dintle is like, Dad, and I worked too hard to get out of gas. I'm not going back there. And then Tlosa finds out that Dintle is the one giving him an increment, but also find Taps and his mom in a compromising position. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Bruno and Minky, they're about to escape, but they want to use Tloge as insurance. And they say they're going to drop her off somewhere else. But Mdala is like, nope, that is not happening. You'd have to kill me first before that happens. Bruno pulls a gun on Dala, threatening him. But Mdala is like, nope, it's not happening. But if you pull the trigger, the cops are going to be on you because security will come. They'll know. Then you won't even get away. Minky says, you know what, Arzamaya, man, and apologizes to Tloge for and thanks her for her concern when she realized she was in trouble. And then now they're celebrating. Utloge Nomdala saying now it's up to the police. Let's hope they do the right thing. Minky and Bruno, they're leaving with their bags. And then they realize the police are onto them. Police they just went on, they ambushed them and said, hands up. They managed to get Minky. Minky froze, but Bruno got inside the car. And didn't want to get out of the car. Now they told Minky to drop the bag and begged threatened Bruno to get out of the car. But Bruno was like, nope, it's not happening. It's not happening. Minky, just get in the car. Let's leave, man. Nope, don't listen to him because now guns are pointed go Minky. Hante Bruno utlo chava. Bruno didn't even wait for this thing. Bruno hit the ignition. Bruno ran away, Bruno escaped. They could not even shoot the tires to catch Bruno because Bruno is a dangerous one. So Bruno got away with no money, with no Minky. Minky now is arrested. Cohen briefs Tloge and Dalhousie. We got Minky. She got arrested. She tried to twist the story. She was a victim, but it didn't work. She's in custody. And then they say that, he says that, Bruno got away. Mdala is so disappointed. Say, how can you let the dangerous one get away? You see, we trusted you, but then you disappointed us. And then Cohen is like, we've been chasing him all day. But Cohen is also disappointed. How can you let him flee, Cohen? Hey, how could you let him get away? Now we handed you Bruno in a silver platter, but you let him go away. You see, that's why we can't trust you with these cases. Cohen didn't appreciate that. I was like, please don't talk to the police like that. Kusindan. Now, Sindane must take these matters to his own hands because obviously Bruno's going to come back for them because he's going to know that they snitched on him. He didn't get the money. He didn't get the woman he loves. Now he's worried. He says, tells Tinswado and Tlogus, what would you do? And because Tinswado is like, do you think he's going to come back? What would you do? And if you didn't get the woman you love and you didn't get the money, I'm worried because he knows where Tlogo works. And then Umden and Tlosoga, they went house hunting. And Untloso and Kanye, they're going on celebrating about the voting of the houses that they got. Untloso thinks because they got a house they wanted, but do you realize that house is in Deep Kloof, Soweto? Now I've worked way too hard to get out of gas. I'm not going back to gas. As Marika is not like it's a failure. And when Kanye goes to school in town, we work in town, and he wants us to go to Soweto and commute. And there are things Closer's breaking about saying even if you host and make noise, your neighbors won't complain. Imagine, Udintle wants to get out of that and he wants to take him back there. This is what Umadlom would appreciate, not Udintle. Udintle is like, nope, it's not happening. And then Closer goes to Bridget to try and get his contract. Bridget says we're still waiting for the lawyers because Bridget was also shocked because they did not think about this through. And then Bridget decides to call Udin telling her, you know what, you need to sort out the contract thingy because your husband keeps on coming here saying it's urgent. So you need to, so Udin decides what he's going to do, a memorandum of agreement. So please do that because Nadi tells them that I don't want to tie ourselves. And then Closer overhears Bridget saying that you need to state clearly, the 40,000 is from you. So now we're just paying him 13,000. Dana just stood there, froze, because what is happening now? Udintle is funding the increment. And then Mamsige convinces Taps that he must come and see and visit her in the apartment, gives him the room number. Taps went again, but also calls Taps to ask for to knock off Ellie. Taps is like, oh, Tamaya and Tamaya, because Taps is enjoying time with Mams. Handi Botoso is going to come to Mamsi's apartment, tries to get in. Mamsi tries stopping him. Handi Mamsu facilitates Taps. Botoso pushes and gets inside only to find Taps in a compromising position. Bambo feel it yatla, bamtswaletje matlo, kuri hey ho busy. They're playing hide and seek like Mamsi said. But it's like Taps, we rang mo. This is my mother. This is my biological mother, man. When Mamsi, this is my boss. Kurwa what that shocked. What's happening? Tapele starts getting dressed and he wants to leave. Mom said, not so fast that day. Where's my parcel? But the parcel, you're busy enjoying life. I want my money. I Tapele pulls out his wallet and starts paying Umamsi. And then now it clicks to Pototso's house. So this whole thing that the fellas have been telling me is true. Chat the gang. And then the next thing, Tinsolo comes because she's hearing the noise. And then now, Umamsi is just speechless because now it's just proven what the dwellers were saying, Umamsi is a prostitute, is true. And then this guy, Victor, the one that works for Taps, shoots his shot, calls Bridget and asks her to go out for drinks or dinner again. And then Bridget's like, are you asking me on a date? But I can't go in the evenings because I have a daughter. I don't like leaving out my daughter at night. We can do lunch tomorrow. This guy starts making excuses. Lunch is too small. Bridget thinks, you want to run away because I've got kids. I have 3. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.